Do not take baking soda before watching this video. While this common kitchen ingredient can offer powerful health benefits, it can also cause serious problems if misused. So let's clear up the myths, the facts, and the right way to use it. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline compound. Interestingly, your own body produces it, specifically your pancreas. It helps neutralize the strong acid coming from your stomach as it moves into the small intestine. Without enough sodium bicarbonate, you may not be able to properly digest fats or absorb certain nutrients, leading to symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, or constipation. So when can baking soda actually help? First, it can offer temporary relief from an overly acidic stomach. Many people turn to baking soda to soothe acid reflux, heartburn, or GERD. A small amount, just half a teaspoon in a glass of water, can reduce acidity and provide short-term comfort. But here's a critical warning. Don't use baking soda if you suffer from indigestion caused by low stomach acid. That condition actually needs more acid, not less. In such cases, something like apple cider vinegar or betaine HCl would be a better option. For those dealing with gastritis, baking soda may help relieve burning sensations. But for long-term healing, adding zinc carnosine is a more targeted solution. It's important to understand that your stomach needs to maintain a very low pH, somewhere between 1 and 3, to properly digest food and kill off harmful bacteria. If you take baking soda frequently, you risk neutralizing that acid. This can lead to poor protein digestion, nutrient deficiencies, and a weaker immune barrier in your gut. Can taking too much baking soda make your blood too alkaline? Technically, it's unlikely unless you're consuming very high doses regularly. But it can still affect your electrolyte balance, especially if you already have issues with your kidneys or muscle function. There are other valuable uses for baking soda too. For oral health, baking soda can help neutralize the acids in your mouth that cause plaque and tooth decay. That's why it's found in many natural toothpastes. If you suffer from itchy skin due to kidney problems, baking soda might offer relief. When your kidneys can't filter acid properly, it builds up in the body. In such cases, small amounts of baking soda can help buffer that acid and ease symptoms like itching. Some kidney patients even use baking soda as a way to delay the need for dialysis, under strict medical supervision. Athletes sometimes use baking soda before competitions to reduce lactic acid buildup and improve performance. But if you try this, be cautious with the dosage. Too much can cause nausea. If you're prone to kidney stones or gout, baking soda may also help. It helps dissolve uric acid, which is responsible for these conditions. Again, moderation is key. Some people even use baking soda for UTIs, as it can make the environment less friendly for harmful bacteria. However, this is not a substitute for proper medical treatment. Topically, baking soda can relieve ant bites and bee stings, but only if the venom is acidic. It won't help, and could even worsen, stings from alkaline insects like wasps. For wasp stings, vinegar is a better remedy. Baking soda also works as a natural insect killer. Mixing it with sugar and placing it around the house can eliminate pests like cockroaches, as it disrupts their digestion. But remember, never mix baking soda with vinegar or lemon juice in your stomach. That combination creates carbon dioxide gas and will cause uncomfortable bloating. Now you know the benefits, the risks, and how to use baking soda properly. If you're interested in learning more about safe and natural healing, visit or call Mariolab Center in Zagreb, Croatia. For over 25 years, we've helped thousands of patients using holistic medicine, nutrition, and physical therapy. Contact phone +385 98 9179 200. You can also check out our health books. Intermittent Fasting, The Secret to Health and Longevity, Miraculous Natural Remedies, Parts 1 and 2. Books are available in multiple languages, and consultations are available online or by phone. Visit mariolab.hr for more. Take care of your health, naturally and intelligently.